cyclone technology that as the dirt and the air enters the machine, it spins it out, and the light to larger particles drop to the bottom. And then the finest of our dirt has a unique filtration system, which is the Gore-Tex filter inside. So the air now goes through here. And one of the other unique features of the Miele Blizzard is that as that filter fills with the finest of dirt, so the dirt is then knocked off of the filter, falls to the bottom of the canister, and then the user can resume cleaning without the fine dirt coming back to the filter again. Once or twice a year, you can fill this with warm water and a mild detergent and can clean it. Our HEPA filter is a lifetime filter. It never needs to be changed at all. I'll bring this down to the floor for you. But we have 4 rubber casters that all spin around. The machine never ever tips. Very gentle on the floors. You'll never hear it roll. It'll never sound like sandpaper against the floor. So it's very, very maneuverable. The robotic cleaning we've been in for about the last 4 years. This is the 2nd generation. We have 2 models, which is the Miele Scout RX2 and then the Miele Scout RX2 with Home Vision. The difference between the 2 models is that with the Home Vision model runs at 120 minutes of runtime, and then the model below it runs at 90 minutes of runtime. The Home Vision model has actually eyes just like the model below, but with these you can actually click on and see what your robot is doing at home, and or the kids, maybe are they really doing their homework. These are retractable, so we clean just as effectively on the corners and around the legs of furniture. And with our Quattro cleaning, we clean both with a brush and also the rubber strip. And then we have a final suction path here with these rubber lips that get the finest of dirt off of bare floor surfaces. Our retractable rubber tires make it nice for many multi-surface floors. Also all rubber coated, just like our vacuum.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube video. If you'd like to see more appliance reviews and ratings, please click on the link below to subscribe to our channel or visit our website at appliancebuyersguide.com.